Can one piece hold up to 15 pieces? What is super sealing glass? What product codes are 4SG, TPS, TPA, and TPE? Today, a video will take you through the ins and outs of insulating glass. Hi, this is the Hardcore Glass Knowledge Popularization channel, aiming to bring you knowledge about the glass industry. Today, our topic is 4SG glass. 4SG is a reactive thermoplastic warm-edge sealant developed by Kremlin, Germany, which is used for the first sealing of insulating glass. Its location is as shown in the picture. Of course, you can boil all the messy adjective in front of it into one adjective. Then you can simply and roughly understand that 4SG is a very powerful sealant. Its full name is pronounced like coded 4SG. It also has an English name called for structure glazing, and the word glazing has the root word GLA, so it specifically refers to glass assembly. In addition, the pronunciation of the word 4 is the same as the number 4, so for the sake of ease of writing, it was extended to 4SG. It also has another English name that is biased towards marketing, which is forever saving energy, can also be extended to 4SG. So why use 4SG? This has to mention the development history of insulating glass. As shown in the figure, insulating glass first appeared in 1883 and was made by blowing. This kind of glass has no desiccant, let alone argon gas, and is prone to condensation. At the same time, the whole structure is unstable, so neither thermal insulation nor water vapor condensation is guaranteed. Until the first generation of insulating glass appeared in 1950, it was a single-pass sealing system consisting of spacers, desiccant, and sealant. Only with silicon rubber and polysulfide rubber, vapor and gas permeable is still very high. The lifespan of the first generation of insulating glass was only about 5 years. Later, this structure was improved to the second generation of insulating glass in 1970. On the basis of the first generation, Kremlin introduced butyl rubber into insulating glass at first. Then did the insulating sealing system of butyl rubber, aluminum spacers, desiccant, and the secondary sealant come into being, which is still in use today. Starting in 1996, Kremlin used coded TPS sealant to replace the TPS hollow system consisting of spacers and desiccant combined with a second sealant. However, this system also has flaws. On the one hand, TPS can only be used with the polysulfide rubber. However, the polysulfide rubber is not resistant to ultraviolet rays. If it is exposed to the outside, it will collide and cause sealing failure after long-time sunlight exposure. Therefore, polysulfide rubber can only be applied to the glass with an open frame to prevent damage to the edge of the glass from being exposed to sunlight. On the other hand, there are currently more and more oversized glasses, which put forward higher requirements for the viscous strength and stability of the colloid. So, Kremlin upgrades TPS and turns it into what we now know as 4SG. The upgraded 4SG can use not only polysulfide rubber, but also silicon rubber for the second seal. Silicon rubber has much better ultraviolet resistance than the polysulfide rubber, so its application range will be wider. Moreover, chemical reactions can occur between the 4SG rubber, glass, and silicon rubber. The longer the time, the tighter the rubber will be, thereby achieving a better sealing effect. When the time came to 2005, Vestronic upgraded coded TPS to coded 4SG rubber, which was combined with silicon copper structure rubber to form a 4SG hollow system, which is what we now call 4SG glass. The sealing effect has been greatly improved. According to the clear circle test method in GB 11944-2012, it is simulated that the argon content of 4SG glass is still 89.3% after 5 circles, and this simulation is equivalent to 50 years of actual time. In ordinary aluminum spacer insulating glass, the effective retention time of argon is not too long. Just like the comparison displayed in the video, ordinary aluminum spacer insulating glass has only a thin layer of butyl rubber to connect and seal. So, when the shape of glass and air undergoes slight deformation regardless of the hot or cold climate or external force, the sealing structure is very easily damaged, so it is easy to cause argon gas leakage and water vapor condensation, so the thermal insulation is not easy to be guaranteed. Nowadays, there are more and more large glass windows, and residents also like the wide view. However, once the water vapor condenses on ordinary insulating glasses, the butyl rubber will overflow under high temperatures, and even the rainbow spots will occur. Not only is the aesthetic greatly compromised, but every aspect of the replacement process, including transportation, hoisting, and installation, is extremely costly. Therefore, it is better to spend more cost at the source and upgrade it to 4SG glasses. The effective retention of the argon gas for up to 25 years is more guaranteed. In addition, glass using 4SG sealant technology also has different names, commonly authorized to international IGU lines that can stably cooperate with the production of 4SG rubber. The 4SG glass produced by the machine of Glasstone in Finland is called TPS, and the other one produced by Lisek from Austria called TPA. This is also a kind of glass called TPE, which is a thermoplastic warm-edge sealant and insulating glass produced by MGM in Beijing. This above is the development history of 4SG glass. If you are interested in this video, I hope I can get your likes and subscription. This is Shandong Yuehang Insulating Glass Production Line Manufacturer. Follow me and let you know more about glasses.